The Aegean wind continues to whisper from thousands of years ago. Hidden among olive trees in the Menderes district of Izmir, the ancient city of Claros was no ordinary settlement. It was one of the most important oracle centers of the ancient world. People came here not to live, but to learn about the future. Kings, commanders, and common people all made their way to this sacred site with the same question: what awaits me? What made Claros unique was its oracle center dedicated to Apollo. The answers given here were not straightforward, but poetic and mysterious. Prophecies were interpreted by priests using water drunk from the sacred spring beneath the temple. According to ancient sources, the most famous oracle of Claros was Mopsos, and it was believed that his words changed the fate of cities. Therefore, Claros was not only a religious, but also a political center. The columns and inscriptions that remain standing today still reveal its importance in the ancient world. Many powers, from Roman emperors to city-states, consulted Claros before making decisions. Now, this sacred site lies silent, but the stones still speak. Claros continues to whisper to us that the future always remains a mystery. Please subscribe to our Izmir Discovery channel. See you in another Izmir Discovery.